Hi and welcome to this video. If you like what I'm doing, please encourage me by giving me a like button and subscribing to the channel. Today's video is going to be simple and very fast. All I'm going to show you in this video is at the website, free traffic exchange website that can help you increase your earnings and traffic for your website or blog. So with that, let's get started. Right, will be the traffic. If you are looking for a traffic that you can monetize, a traffic that comes from the real humans, this website is the right one for you. So our second website on the list of the free auto traffic source would be the AutoWebSoft.com. AutoWebSoft.com is also a good website to exchange traffic, and I won't bore you too much. They have an app that you can also use to increase your points. You exchange points for traffic, so they have many members so that you can exchange points with. With that, I would like to move to the third site, which is organichits.co. As you can see the name, organichits.co is also a good website that you can exchange traffic with and get views on your blog. This site is a human exchange, it's not a bot exchange, and it's also cool for monetizing. It's also cool for monetizing, but not AdSense monetization, but AdStera and other ad network can be good for this. So let's move to the fourth website, which is the bighits4u.com. bighits4u.com. This bighits4u.com is also a good site. They also have as you can see, easy and quick way to get high quality geo-targeted traffic. But the geo-targeted traffic is a premium feature, so you can't use it as a free user, but you can at least get traffic worldwide from any country worldwide with your free version, which is cool. So we go to our next site, that is rankboostup.com. This rankboostup.com is also a good site to increase your website traffic. They allow you to, as they say, that you can use it to increase your website rankings, because it's also a good traffic too, not bad. Well, I also like it. You can also use it to get more views on your site. Our next traffic site, our next auto traffic exchange site would be the 10khits.com. 10khits.com. My network is not fast, so I don't even know why. 10khits.com. This 10khits.com, they have an app, and you can also exchange traffic from your web browser. It's a cool site that helps to increase your website traffic. You can increase your website traffic up to 4K a day, 4,000 web hits a day, web traffic a day. I use it, and it's also fast. It's a great site to increase your blog traffic as well. So our next website traffic exchange site would be the 9hits.com. Yes, this 9hits.com is also a good site to exchange traffic, auto traffic exchange site. Yes, it's also a good site. You can use it to increase your blog views and so on and so forth. It's not bad, very good. You can use it also, but just make sure to use it well. Don't use it for your AdSense. You can use it for other monetization purposes, like referral links and all those stuff, and affiliate links and all those stuff. So our next website, free auto traffic site, would be the gethits.com. gethit.com. You can get they don't like adult content. You can't promote adult content here. They will block your account immediately. But you can promote affiliate link and other stuff. It's also a good site that doesn't affect your Google AdSense account, because they did not click your AdSense, and they don't click your AdSense, your ads on the site, or finding manipulative clicks. So you can use this